Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to set up Raycast on Windows. It's this super handy launcher that lets you open apps, search files, and even use AI all from one shortcut. Let's jump right in. First, head over to raycast.com/windows. Right here, you'll see the download button. Just click it and it'll take you straight to the Microsoft Store. Quick tip. If your company blocks the Microsoft Store, you can also install it through the command line using Winget install Raycast. Give it a few seconds to download. It's a pretty lightweight app, so this shouldn't take long. And once it's done, the app will automatically open. Raycast will walk you through a quick onboarding. It'll ask you to pick your keyboard shortcut. By default, it's Alt+Space. Now, heads up. If you've got something like Windows Search or PowerToys using Alt+Space already, you might get a conflict. If that happens, just switch it to something like Control+Space instead. Now let's actually try it. I'll hit my shortcut and boom, there's Raycast. I can just start typing the name of any app like Claude and hit enter to launch it instantly. No more digging through the start menu. One more cool thing, you can ask it questions directly, but heads up, before it'll answer, it'll ask you to sign in to a Raycast account first. Just click sign in, log in, or make a free account if you don't have one. And once that's done, come back to Raycast. Now try it again. Type your question, hit tab, and there's your answer. It's free during the beta, so it's a nice bonus once you're signed in. And that's it. Raycast is officially set up on your Windows PC. Play around with it, get used to your shortcut, and you'll wonder how you lived without it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.